Photobomb!
Good afternoon, you're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101. And the day after Christmas, I took a trip down to the Jersey Shore to meet up with Ken Heron, a couple other guys from YouTube, and a few of the guys from the drone community. I got down there a little bit late, and I met up with Ken Heron down in the parking lot.
Hey, Henry, how you doing? Henry says, I don't wear masks. That's a hoax.
After meeting up with the guys decided that we're gonna take a trip over to Lucy. Lucy is a 6-story elephant structure built in 1881. Let's take a tour. Here we are inside of Lucy on the tour, and that young lady there, that is Rachel, our tour guide, standing next to Ron Brown. Lucy has been through many renovations and also moved to the location where she is now. I'm inside on a tour of Lucy with all of the guys from YouTube. How you doing?
Hey, I'm great.
All right.
I'm a fan. I'm Scott, your SKS video guy.
Okay. I'm here today placing all of the faces with all of the names.
Yep.
We're gonna go catch up to Ken. We're going upstairs.
Yep.
Okay.
Up on the roof.
Let's head up on the roof. On the roof, Rachel pointed out to us all of the scenes and attractions in the area. She even went as far as to point out to us where the water tower was where Lucy was originally standing. Ken Heron decided to fly his drone from up on the top of Lucy, and Rachel even got in on the fun where she helped hand launch the drone.
Rachel, put your hand out like this. Alright? Now hold it up like that. Alright? You ready? Don't freak out. No, you're alright.
Lift right off your palm. There you go.
You guys are on my spotters, right?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to go backwards here, back and up.
Good as long as
These videos.
Alright. Coming around. Do a tight little orbit with all of us.
After our tour at Lucy, guys decided let's head over to the lighthouse in Atlantic City. And when we got over there, a few guys got to fly, and Ken decided he was going to put the FPV bird up and get some shots.
I'm very surprised how well I picked it up. I get loopy-loop.
Who am I fooling? I put my bird up and got some shots. Take a walk over here and see these guys, but first let me put my mask on, because you know guys are practicing their social distancing and keeping up with the PPE. Wave to the camera, guys. Got a big turnout. All of the guys.
Hey guys, Phantom 101. Out here braving the cold in Jersey, Atlantic City. You gotta be here.
It was a great day out here with Ken, and also meeting Billy and Herman was also great. It was just a splendid day. A little cold, but more than worth it.
Hey Ken, you going back up?
Huh?
You going back up?
No. No,
Push this leg far enough.
yeah. You're making me want to, though. If it were warm, I would go through all my batteries. But
Yeah, we're over here at the lighthouse in Atlantic
did you do
City.
your goodbye already?
No, not yet. I'm about to do it right
Oh,
now.
wait, I gotta mask up.
Okay, do it right now.
All right, yeah.
That was my time here in Atlantic City, and I hope you enjoyed the flight. please feel free to check out the descriptions below. And also feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time on Phantom Flight 101.
Photobomb!
That's Ken Heron. What do you know?